Hello everyone, welcome back to Kaki 3892. Imagine browsing the web thinking you're safe, and suddenly a single web page lets an attacker slip past Chrome's defenses and threaten your entire device. Sounds frightening? That's exactly what happened, and Apple just rolled out urgent fixes. Just days ago, on the 29th of July 2025, Apple released critical security updates across its platforms: iOS 18.6, iPadOS 18.6, macOS Sequoia 15.6, plus updates for watchOS, tvOS, and visionOS. At the heart of it all, a Chrome zero-day vulnerability tracked as CVEE 2025 6558 that Google confirmed was being actively exploited in the wild. Attackers exploited a flaw in the angle and GPU components shared across browsers like Chrome and Safari. By simply luring users to a malicious HTML page, they could execute code inside the browser's GPU process and bypass the sandbox entirely. This bug scored 8.8 on the CVSS vulnerability severity scale, reflecting its high risk to user data and system integrity. Apple's WebKit engine shares code with Chrome, so it too was affected. While Apple says there's no evidence of exploitation via Safari or iOS users, they didn't take any chances. Patches went live for iOS 18.6 and iPadOS 18.6, iPhone XS and newer. Most recent iPads, macOS Sequoia 15.6 on all compatible Macs. Also tvOS 18.6, watchOS 11.6, visionOS 2.6, and for older iPads, iPadOS 17.7.9 covers those not eligible for iPadOS 18. Apple also fixed a slew of other vulnerabilities over 20-inch iOS and iPadOS and more than 80-inch macOS, covering everything from voiceover quirks to kernel privileges, CF network flaws, and memory corruptions. What does this look like if unpatched? Attackers could potentially steal passwords, deploy malware or ransomware, record your screen or audio, access your files, or worse, make your device part of a botnet. All triggered through a single browser session, even if you're cautious. So here's what you should do right now. Update your device to the latest OS. Go to Settings to General to Software. Update on iPhones and iPads. On a Mac, open System Settings to Software Update. Also apply updates on Apple Watch, Apple Television, Vision Pro if you use those. Do it within the next 24 hours, especially if you browse the web or handle sensitive info. Don't delay. This isn't just about Apple, it's a wake-up call. Even top-tier companies share open source code, and flaws in one system can jeopardize many, and attackers are increasingly targeting high-risk users across borders. It's a global cybersecurity issue, and staying patched is your frontline defense. To sum it up, Apple's urgent patch on the 29th of July 2025 for iOS 18.6, iPadOS 18.6, macOS Sequoia 15.6 and others addresses a zero-day flaw exploited in Chrome that could break browser sandboxing. If you don't update now, you leave the door open to attackers with real-world tools and access. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, share it with friends around the world, and update your devices now. I'm Kaki3892. Thanks for watching and stay secure.